Grizzlies, I'm Kimberly and this is Workout of the Week. Now we go to Oscar with the workout.
The first workout is push-ups. Strengthens your abdominals as well as the current upper body muscles, chest, shoulders, and triceps. Second workout is sit-ups, which help strengthen and firm up the rectus abdominis muscles. But crunches will do nothing to reduce the amount of fat on your stomach. They truly only help build your six-pack. Last but not least, squats, which obviously help to build leg muscles, including your quadriceps, hamstrings, and calves. But they also create an anabolic environment, which promote body-wide muscle building.
Well, there you go, Grizzlies. Until next week.
Hey Grizzlies, I'm Avar Reyes.
And I'm Andrade.
And this is
You Know What Grinds My Gears.
Hey Ivan,
What?
you know what currently grinds my gears?
What kind of grind your gears, boss?
My gears are grinded when I'm given a temporary leave from my temple but get called upon the education gods to fulfill a formidable task.
So you're mad, yes?
Of course I'm mad. Because we get a break for like a month and then we just don't know what.
I'm the Blue Ranger. You got me? I'm the Red Ranger. Yeah, the Purple Ranger. I'm the freaking green one. Ranger. I'm the freaking green one. Oh. Summer.
That's it for this week, GMG. For more information, visit us at www.thedailyword.net. And don't forget to follow both me and Alvaro at
GHHS, Alvaro GMG and GHHS, Ivan GMG, and our cameraman GHHS, Ulysses GMG. Thank you.
Hey Grizzlies, my name is Jackie Aldalco. Here is Cecilia to see if you have common sense.
I'm here with
Yamile,
Seth.
Yari,
Leticia. How do you spell cemetery?
Cemetery.
Cemetary.
Cemetery, Cementary.
Cemetery. How many cups in a pint?
2,
10.
4,
2. How do you use cemetery in a sentence?
we will all end up in a cemetery.
My uncle's at the cemetery.
When people pass away, they end up in a cemetery.
There is a cemetery in Porterville. What is the difference between urban and rural?
Urban is a country. Rural is a village.
I think urban's like more of a city and rural's like a smaller city.
Isn't like rural like a poor part of a city? And urban is, I don't know.
Rural is a village and urban is a city.
I hope you enjoyed this week's Common Sense. Until next time. That's our show for this week. Come out and enjoy a little music today at lunch at the amphitheater. ASB will be handing out free swag. Don't miss out.
We only have 100 yearbooks left. If you're planning on buying a yearbook, please put $20 down at the activities window to reserve your copy. Books are selling fast.
Students, GPS tutoring is back to its normal schedule. A list of tutoring sessions are available in the administrative office, guidance office, and the school website. It's free.
The attendance race is back on. The class with the least amount of absences and tardies will win a donut party. Good luck.
Don't forget to tweet us on Twitter and follow us on Instagram at DDC Grizz Media. This has been vital information for your everyday life.